Welcome. Today, we're going to guide you on how to sync your contacts to your Gmail account on your PC. Let's go through the steps together. Start by opening Settings on your PC. You can typically find Settings in the Start menu, or by searching for it in the search bar. Click on Accounts to access the account settings on your PC. Next, tap on Email and App Accounts to manage your email and application accounts. Select Add an account to begin adding a new account to your PC. Tap on Google as the account type you want to add. Enter your Google email address and password in the provided fields. Review the permissions required for syncing your contacts and click on Allow to grant access. Finally, click on Done to complete the process of syncing your contacts to your Gmail account on your PC. By following these steps, you can easily sync your contacts to your Gmail account, ensuring that your contacts are up to date and accessible across all your devices. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you manage your contacts efficiently on your PC.